Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here, and once again I welcome you to a wonderful video. Well guys, you are mainly struggling with IELTS reading, and when we add the word academic with reading, it becomes a big monster. Academic reading. Oh my God, academic reading? It's quite difficult. For many students, academic reading is quite difficult because they don't understand what they read, right? And they don't know what to do with what they read, as they do not understand. Sometimes they read the question, when they come to the passage, they forget the question. And when they read the passage, they forget the question. When they read the question, they forget the passage, and the thing goes on and on and on. And because of reading, many students do not achieve their desired band in IELTS. I've seen some students who got 6, 6.5 in other 3 modules, reading 5, reading 4.5, reading 5.5 and all that. Now, where there is a problem, there is a solution. And let me tell you, there is no magic solution as far as IELTS is concerned. So the solution is, I have created this study plan, and this study plan is going to help you get your desired band in IELTS. What is in the study plan? It's very, very simple. I have actually compiled my videos into a day-wise study plan, and there are playlists. In each playlist, you will find the videos related to one complete test, which is from Cambridge IELTS book. So once you go through all these videos, all the books, you are going to be in a better condition to get your desired band score. Now, how to do it? First of all, you can get the study plan. Just go to the description of this video, and there you can see there is that study plan. You can copy it and paste it somewhere, right? Copy it and paste it on WhatsApp. It's better, because once you paste it to WhatsApp, it's going to be fine, okay? So copy paste it on WhatsApp, right? So afterwards, you can play the first playlist. In the playlist, there will be 5 to 6 videos, questions 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 14, then section 2, section 3. So you need to watch. Now do one thing, solve one test with me by watching the videos, and then solve one test independently on your own. Then again, solve one test with me, solve one test on your own, and you need to do it together. Like for example, watching videos will take around 2 hours, watch the videos and all that, then take a break for 30 minutes and immediately solve one academic reading test from any Cambridge IELTS book on your own. Then you can have another next day. Don't do it all in one day. Next day, solve one test with me. And when second day you solve one test with me, you'll be more confident. So this solving a test with me, that is dependent solution of the test or dependent learning, and then solving the test on your own, independent learning. This is going to enable you to get even more than your desired band. Although academic reading is difficult, but you know, if you get 23 correct answers, you can get your 6 band, and most of you need 6 band. In order to get 7 band, you need to get 30 correct answers. So that means with 10 mistakes, you can get 7 band. That means with 17 mistakes out of 40, still you can get 6 band score. Not a big deal. This is the perfect solution to your IELTS, academic IELTS reading problem, okay? All the best. I am on Telegram as well. I've got a group on Telegram. You can just follow me there. You can find me there, right? And I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.